This video is going to show you how to print your first RFID-linked RFID Pro tags now that we've imported our inventory file with all of our products and information associated to each product. We will go into Print Tags. We will choose Print Tags. And we will choose from our drop-down list of all the items we imported. You can search, you can select from a drop-down. If you're looking for something on a very long list, you can just tap the search field at the top and type in what you're looking for. Going to print for brake rotors, you can see all of the information associated with the tags we're printing that come in here for the item. We will select this item, and now you can see from here we've got a drop-down list of the label designer templates that we have created. And if you've made a change to a label template and want to make an update, increase size, etc., there's a cloud sync button here so that if you do make a change to your label design, just hit cloud sync and it'll update that, and it'll give you all your freshest options of labels you've designed. We've got the correct one here, so we will click select, and here you've got the ability to select your printer, post-print action setup. I will go with no action on this case for demonstration, but here you can create a file. So for example, if you're receiving a purchase order number for items you've bought, you can create the file and name it the PO number you're receiving. That way you can go back later and scan against that list of tags you've printed to audit and verify all the product is still there. Anything that's been sold would not match. Then if you need to print more tags related to this PO for other items, you can add to file. So then you'll be able to select from that PO number and continue building that file of all the tags you printed against that PO. And anyway, we will go with no action in this case. Serial number options, cloud managed, leave that default unless you want to customize the way each tag is individually serialized. This allows you to verify when you go around and scan that every single tag on every single product is unique, so that you know you have all unique products and you won't get any double scans. We'll hit next, specify how many tags. We'll print 2 for demonstration here. It will send the command to the printer. Tags come out. And that is it. Thank you so much.